Craig says, I'm interested in Schema Writer. Do you have any case study results that you can chat about? No, I don't. Because been doing schema, Craig, for years, and I've always said I'm not a schema nerd. So typically for tree service sites, I would just do well-developed organization schema on the homepage and well-developed local business schema on the location landing page. And then for all the other pages on the site, I just did web page schema using inlinks. And so I've been doing that for years. So I don't have any specific case studies where I didn't have it and then I added it and it showed a jump or it showed whatever it did. I don't have any of those specifically. However, I did mention earlier on the webinar when I was talking about Schema Writer that I just started using Schema Writer for some more advanced schemas for some of these LLG sites. I just started doing it. And so I'll share that once I have some data, because I've got to go through and run a Schema Writer, ask it to write or generate schema for every page on the site. Then I have to go through every one of those and, eliminate anything that's not relevant. And that's going to be time consuming. Once I've done it a couple of times, then I can develop an SOP out of it so that I can then delegate that to my team. So it's going to be a few weeks before I have any data on these tests that I am setting up, because I've got to go through and do that just on one site alone. It's going to take me several hours to get through that process, right? So once I have got a couple of specific tests set up for that, I will share some data, but that's going to be a few weeks from now. I don't have that now. Okay. Great question though.